Valentine ulit. Iniyaya ka na ba ni Jeje na
Gab?
mag-date? Ano to? May tagasagot?
Ano,
Niyaya ka na ba niya na mag-date? Di ba sabi mo nung last time ka na makausap, pwede, pag niyaya ka, anong sagot mo? Ay, mukhang niyaya.
Hindi, paano ba? Pwede po ba secret?
Ay!
Biglang naging secret. Hindi,
Kakasabi mo lang, open ka na, nagilihim ka naman ngayon. Hindi ka naman consistent.
oo nga.
Open mo na.
Oo nga. Ba't mo nakasabi yun? Mga open sa mga ibang bagay po eh. Open to working with Gab. Gano'n. Open to working with... Hindi. Pwede po bang siya na lang po ang tanongin nyo? Kasi, hiya po ako. Manggaling din sa akin.
Oo.
Opo.
Pero kung halimbawa nga niyaya ka nga niya, ano magiging sagot mo?
Mami?
Mami pa rin?
And then, kung libre naman po ako mamaya at kung papayagan naman po ako, bakit naman hindi?
Libre ka ba mamaya?
No. Actually, ang daming choices na pwedeng gawin, mga concerts na pwedeng panoorin, tapos sa church, ang dami eh.
Manonood ba kayo ng concert?
Nag-iisipan.
Wow! So, libre ka nga. Happy ka ba ngayon, Sarah? Parang ang saya-saya mo, ang ganda ng aura mo ngayong Valentine.
Opo, hindi, sobrang happy po ako para dito sa bagong show. Yun. At happy po ako kahit nanood po ako ng concert ni Miss Rachel Ango kagabi with Mr. Basil Valdez and The Company. Yun nga, sabi niya, kahit hindi porket single ka, hindi ka na magiging happy sa Valentine's Day. So,
Sino kasama
kaninong
nanood?
concert? Yung magandang babae na ang galing-galing kumanta, very
Ay,
loving.
Oo, yung may nakaraan.
Sige, Sarsa. Sige. Gusto mo.
Sino kasama mo nanood,
Faithful.
Sarah?
Gusto mo.
Tapat magmahal.
Ay? Sino kasama mo nanood kagabi?
Daddy ko po.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay, our next question will come from Tita Emmy Abuan of Filipina Starnet.
Hi, Sarah.
Hello po.
Parang concert yung gagawin mo dito sa iyong musical show.
Yes
How
po.
many songs yung ipiprepare mo?
Direk, how many songs na po?
Every week?
Mga 5 songs po every week po yun. So we have an opening with a middle prod number, tapos may mga in between prod and the last prod number, closing finale song niya na parang recapping show, what si Sarah will speak from her heart kung ano na feel niya about the show. So yun ang kailangang abangan niyo from the opening till the ending kasi marami talagang pasabog yung show namin. So, for 1 hour, punong-puno, hitik na hitik. Para kayo nandun ng concert. Tapos pag nanood kayo, parang sabihin, ay parang bitin. Parang sana 1.5 hours. So, pag pinagsan 1.5 hours, sana 2 hours na lang siya. Parang ganon.
Ganyan.
Okay. Kay Gab naman. Gab, first time ang makatrabaho si Sarah?
Actually, in this way, opo. Kasi sa ASAP, nakikita po lang kami. Hindi talaga kami nagko-collaborate. So, yeah, I consider this the first time talaga na
Okay, so
makatrabaho siya.
may possibility ba na may umusbong na magandang pagtitinginan sa inyong dalawa?
Paano ko ba sagutin? Feeling ko kasi we got used to each other na rin eh. Kasi ilang taon na rin po kami nag-aasap, nakikita naman po kami. At saka yung friendship po namin, actually, recently lang talagang nag-uusap na po kami. I mean, nag-uusap na rin kami. And I guess, to answer that question, hindi, I don't know. Hindi. Grabe naman.
Hindi.
Hindi. Hindi.
Hindi. Bakit ba hindi? Bakit hindi?
Bakit hindi?
Ikaw
Kasi masaya ka naman
May
ini, ba?
posibilidad, di ba?
Hindi pwede kasi
Ganda-ganda ni
masaya,
Sarah.
masaya na si Sarah eh. Masaya na siya eh. So, okay na yun. Di ba? Sige. Gusto mo?
Okay. Sarah, meron ka bang final say sa pagpili ng mga guests mo or yung director na ang bahala doon?
I guess meron. Opo. Parang for the pilot episode, nagsasuggest po ako ng mga gusto ko pong makasama. So, ayun po. Kung mapagbibigyan, di ba? Yun po. Parang bitin.
Okay. So, paano mo ipagdiriwang yung iyong Valentine's Day? Sabi mo, sa pamilya mo?
Opo, baka lumabas po kami mag-dinner or baka...
Walang special
Explain.
someone?
kasama yung mga friends, ganyan po. Yun. Po.
Tulad Nino.
Pagum.
Mga friends ko po dito sa business, sa show business, ganyan. Ganyan. Si Miss G, di ba Miss G?
Sinong G?
Miss G.
Miss G.
Okay, thank you and
Thank you po.
congrats.
Thank you po.
Tita Emmy, baka po masagot ang inyong tanong dahil may babati kay Sarah. Roll VTR, please.
Her phenomenal voice spawned countless chart-topping hits, record-breaking concerts, and multi-platinum albums. She has changed the landscape of local pop music with countless awards and recognition and a massive following from fans all over the world. And now, she rightfully wears a crown as one of the youngest music royalties in the industry and one of the most successful youth icons in history.
Ito na, Sarah G. Live. I will miss the transformation of a beautiful girl during rehearsals to a radiant performer just before she steps out on stage. Malaking asset yun sa kahit anong show. I think you're a great, great asset to have. ABS is truly proud and blessed to have you. Please do not change, regardless of where your career may take you. So, God bless you, Sarah. We love you and we will support you from here, as of 2012, 110%.
To my dear sweet Sarah, congratulations on your new TV show, Sarah G Live. I hope to be a guest, a constant guest. Anytime you need me, whenever you need me, you know you can count on me. I'm gonna miss you here on ASAP, but that's what a kapamilya does. That's what family does. We breed our children, we raise them, and then we set them free. So now it's all up to you to take everything you've gotten from this show and all the shows you've done in the past with me and with whomever. Take that, all of that, make it shine on Sarah G Live. God bless. I love you.
Hey Sarah! Naku, mamimiss ka namin sa ASAP dahil mawawala ka na. Pero naman, bongga naman yung magiging show mo as a solo performer naman. Hawak mo na yung show mo ngayon. So I'm so very happy for you. At mamimiss ko yung mga duet natin na makatanggal hininga ng mga songs. Anyway, sana mag-guest mo ko dyan sa show mo. Good luck!
Alright, and I guess we just want to wish Sarah G, she's off the greener pastures for herself. She's there to grow, so it's always good. You go where you grow, that's what I say, so good luck with that. And too bad though, we just did one number, so hopefully we can do more, right? I'm gonna miss that. So, you owe me one, alright? Isa pa tayo.
Good luck on your new show, Sarah.
Good luck sa iyo.
At ano nga ulit yung mamimiss mo kay Sarah?
Kahit naman dito ako sa asap, namimiss ka namin. Pader lang, oh. Pader lang pagitan. Naririnig kitang
Sa bili ka lang namin nakikita. Sa monitor.
Sa monitor. Ganda-ganda mo. Mami B, ingatan mo yan, ha?
I just want to say good luck. I'm sure you don't need it. You know, and we all know how talented you are, how blessed you are as a performer. And I'm sure you'll do well. So good luck, Sarah. And we're here to support you, especially this guy.
Ano na lang, yun na lang, hindi na sa ASAP, pero manonood pa rin kami ng bagong mong show.
Sarah, it's a bit of a shock na nalaman ko na alis ka na ASAP. Very well known. Isa ka sa mga pillars ng show na to. And I don't know if I'd be happy, but of course it's a little big move for you, and it's I guess it's finding time for you to grow. You have so much talent. You have so much to give. So I know this show will be a lot of fun. This show will bring out another side of Sarah that a lot of people haven't seen yet. So I'm excited. And kahit na magiging malungkot ang asa because wala nang isang napakagaling na performer, we're all wishing and we know this is a good move for you. And we know na marami ka pa mas mapapasok tao because of your new show. So congratulations, and pag nabis mo kami, dito lang kami. We'll always be here waiting for you, and I'm a big fan. Congratulations.
What's up, Sarah G? Greetings from New York. And first up, I want to greet you a happy Valentine's Day. And I know that your new show's coming up, and you know, ikaw talagang deserving dyan kasi, you know, I always tell you, you're like the Beyonce of the Philippines. So I'm very excited for you, very happy for you. I just hope now when I get back, you know, you'll have me guest on your show. But anyways, congrats, and I will see you soon.
Hey Sarah, una-una, good luck sa bagong show mo, Sarah G Live. Yan, I'm sure maging hit yan, and I'm sure sana maraming tao yan. Siyempre, mamiss ka namin dito sa ASA dahil mawawala ka, but alam namin na pabalik ka rin, and ang mamiss namin yung mga prods mo, yung ngiti mo, yung mga tawa-tawa mo, but yun, good luck na sa bagong show mo, and like I said, I'm sure maging hit yan, at gusto na maraming tao yan. God bless, good luck.
Hi, Sarah! Si Sarah Jane Pais.
Si Sarah Henry.
Ay, Heronimo ba? Pira, di mo sinasabi. Kala ko si... Gusto ka na, Sarah. Kahit di ka namin masyado nakikita, we're very, very proud of you. Congratulations sa bagong success mo. More blessings to you, tsaka sa family mo, tsaka sa love life. Ay, wag doon. Kasi, wag muna.
Sa bagong show.
Sa bagong show mo.
I'm really very happy for you. You have a new show. Kayang-kaya mo naman yan. Sarah G Live. So, God bless. I know na wala lang to sa'yo. Magaling ka naman eh. So, have a great time. Enjoy it. God bless.
This 2012, witness as she takes you to the next level. Brighter, fiercer, and stronger because Popstar is the new diva.